In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Samsung laptop keyboard is not working all of a sudden. So the first thing you need to do is ensure that you haven't accidentally enabled the num lock or the function lock. If you have, some of the keys such as the function keys or the numpad keys may not work, so make sure to check that first. However, if you still experience problems, right click on the start icon and then select device manager from the list. In the device manager window, you will first need to expand keyboards. Now here you should see this standard keyboard entry. Simply right click on it and then select uninstall device. Now click uninstall again to confirm. Once you have done that, simply go ahead and restart your Samsung laptop and your issue should be resolved. However, if you still experience problems, head to the settings app and go to this Windows Update tab. Here make sure there are no pending updates. If there are, make sure to install them from here. Additionally, you should also go to this advanced option and then go to this optional updates. Now here expand driver updates and make sure there are no driver updates available for the keyboard. If there are, make sure to select them and then install them from here. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to hard reset your Samsung laptop. For that, shut down your laptop and then unplug everything including the charger and all the other USB accessories. Once you have done that, simply press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. This will hard reset your laptop and hopefully solve the problem. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.